So before we hop into this video, I just wanted to say that my heart is going out to all of you in Texas. We visited right before the snow and the cold weather hit, and seeing the devastation that hit the state has just broken my heart. I'm actually going to put some links down below to a few places that you can donate if you feel called to do so. Anything can help. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a week in my life. So we actually went to Texas last week to visit our family. The weather was beautiful. We finally got to meet our niece. We hung out as a family, ate amazing food. And so that's what this video is, memories from this week. My sister-in-law made the most amazing sourdough bread ever on this week. And so we filmed her recipe. By the way, if you like these kind of videos, I've been making them for like the last few years. So I will link that playlist down below. And last but definitely not least, I want to give a shout out to today's sponsor, Josie Maran. If you watch my videos regularly, you've heard me talk about Josie Maran over the years. I love her products. Josie Maran's mission is to have clean skincare and beauty products that work for all skin types. Everything I have tried from her brand has been amazing. So I only brought Josie Maran products with me to Texas, but I didn't get any footage, so I'm showing you this footage. I am obsessed with their argan milk and their argan oil. I love layering her products depending on what my skin feels like, which honestly, it most of the time feels like all of them, because I love the way that her oils and creams make my skin feel. But you can kind of adjust them through the winter months. As you want more moisture and hydration, you can do that. I also love their body care products. They recently released a retinol body moisturizer. It is divine. So yeah, I just couldn't recommend them enough. I will have their links down in the info box to shop Josie Maran on Sephora US and Sephora Canada, as well as on the Josie Maran website. All right, guys, so this was our first full day outside in Texas. By the way, Dan really wanted to recreate that video going around with the guy taking the Duna out of the car. We love our Duna. So yeah, this park in New Braunfels was absolutely beautiful. The weather was gorgeous. Little did I know how much my heart needed this before going into the current sleet storm that I'm sitting in right now. By the way, this is my beautiful niece, Raylene, and I just wanted to throw out there that she is cuddled up in one of my mom's blankets from her company, Don't Freak It's Faux. I always get questions anytime my mom's blankets are shown in videos. So if you want to check out her website, I will leave that information down below. So this is like their older downtown area. I actually think it's called Green, but this is how it's spelled. We ate at a really delicious restaurant. I didn't film anything because my back was killing me so much, but the food was delicious. I basically just wanted to get footage of the babies playing because I thought that this was so cute. And yeah, man, what I love about cameras are the obvious. The ability to bottle up moments in time and look back at them is so surreal and such a gift. It's incredible. Babies and time just like slips through your fingers. It feels like sand. That, not to be too philosophical, or maybe that's not philosophical at all, but it's just crazy how time flies, and I love these little babies.
Is that so funny?
So whenever Dan visits anywhere, he tends to do a task or two while he's on hand, because Dan is a handyman. He's very, very handy. And so one of the random tasks he did this week in Texas was install a baby gate. And so, yeah, he did that, and he had the boys, his little helpers, with him, and it was really cute. First off, my sister-in-law bought this salt and pepper shaker because of us. My sister-in-law and I twin a lot, and I love it. Second of all, my sister-in-law made a lot of amazing food this week, and considering how much amazing food she made, I kind of wish I had filmed more. I'm like surprised I didn't film it more. This was one of the many amazing meals that she prepared for us. These are chicken enchiladas with salsa verde, and yeah, they were really, really good. By the way, I'm gonna link Marlene's Instagram down below if you want to check her out. So we went to this snake farm mini zoo place on this day. My hair was still kind of wet. It was pretty crazy. I would not have chosen to go here. I am low-key creeped out by all zoos and animal exhibits. I have a weird relationship with animals. I think that they're so cool. And it's amazing to just see the differences and the similarities in different animals. But I'm also scared the whole time. Like I don't think that I would ever just be like, oh my gosh, I really want to go to a zoo. But we went, and it was pretty cool, and it was cute to see the babies. Well, really just Isaiah feeding the goats and just the different animals, the chickens, and just, it was really cute. By the way, don't tell Dan, or go tell Dan, that I hope we have goats one day. When we saw these monkeys, Dan reminded me that I totally held one of these monkeys on our honeymoon 13 years ago in Mexico. Also, how crazy is this peacock? I know peacocks look like this. I know peacocks are beautiful, but every time I see them, I'm always shocked and stunned by their beauty. By the way, don't do this. Don't go up to an ostrich and feed it. They're crazy. This ostrich kind of scratched Dan's hand. Just don't do this. Dan just really loves animals. So I filmed and included this footage for obvious reasons because this is so cute. Everybody says, I guess I found out this was a thing. Everybody says that the skies are always bigger in Texas. Tell me that the sky does not look huge. By the way, this was Logan's first time on a trampoline. Like, he's been on his, jolly jumper, but he's never been on a tramp before. And so it was really cute. Side note that is not a side note, to those of you that don't know, Dan is a skydiver, so here's footage of Dan doing flips. And us blowing this weed. What are these technically called? Because we thought it looked cool. So one yummy thing my sister-in-law made were stuffed mushrooms, and she did it like in a really simple way that was super delicious. She stuffed it with the spinach artichoke dip from Costco. By the way, the guys also made jalapeno poppers on the smoker. It was so good. Dan and Marlene did kind of a bread bake-off, and this was Marlene's loaf that won the bread bake-off. On the left was Dan's loaf, on the right was Queen Lane's, and because of this is what prompted us wanting to make the video so that we could have the recipe for ourselves to bring home and then also be able to share it with all of you. So she started off with 1/3 of a cup of starter and a dab of discard. Then she added 2 cups of water. I want to say that's a teaspoon of salt. Then she added 4 cups of flour. literally, oh, my mouth is watering. So this lake area and this walkway we're going on is actually a dam. And so it was so beautiful, this view that we had up above the water. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I have to say about it, was that it was just so beautiful. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you again to Josie Maran for sponsoring this video. I love your guys' products, and your sponsorship has meant so much to me. Be sure to check the info box for the link to their website. Check out their products. You will not regret it. And with all of that being said, I will hopefully see you guys back here soon with another new video. Bye, guys.